You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Julien clarify the pronunciation from ancient Greek meaning purification or cleansing. Catharsis. How to pronounce in English? Tha with a th sound with your tongue between your teeth, and then sis. The stress is on the second syllable, the tha syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation? Catharsis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.